Good morning, students. Let's start today the back exercise or the extra exercise of the unit management that we have done earlier. It is the first unit of your business studies. Let's test your understanding and have the group discussion that what is management basically. I just want to recall all those concepts that we have studied while doing the unit number 1, that is management. So let's test your understanding and we will have a group discussion. Please don't mind. Please don't feel like don't feel shy also. Whatever the idea exists or taken place in your mind, you have to explain that, no matters whether it is correct or incorrect, because as much as the exposure we will get, it will enhance our knowledge as well as skill. So please, I hope that everybody participates so well, as well as you people just take the initiative and give the answers in such a perfect manner that you can do, and nobody will create any kind of nuisance and disturbance. So all the best to everybody. Let's start our discussion and test your understanding about this concept. The first question that is floating on the screen is in front of you. uh, that is, successful organization do not achieve their goals by chance, but by following a deliberate process. Identify the process, highlight here. Yes. What is the process identified? The successful organization do not achieve their goals by chance, but following the deliberate. Deliberate means whatever that is we do knowingly. Whatever that we do knowingly is known as deliberately. So what the examiner want to ask from you in this, it is any of the successful organization do not achieve the goals by chance. You cannot say whatever the goals has been achieved by anybody or any organization, it is just by chance. No, it never be by chance. The deliberate efforts are to be implemented there. So can you let me know the name of that, Pragat? Please let me know the name of this process that is deliberately uses in an organization to achieve its goals successfully. Please name the organization. Please raise your hand who can give me the answer of this question. Tanika Garg. Yes, please answer.
Ma'am, the process is management.
Yes, absolutely. The process is management. When we manage all the things knowingly, no doubt we will plan according to our objective that is to be achieved. We organize accordingly, staff accordingly, we just direct accordingly, and have a control accordingly. Then only we can achieve our objective and successful organization be there. Second, name that intangible force that create the productive relation among resources of an organization. Name the intangible force which creates productive relationships. Yes, Janvi?
Ma'am, management.
Yes, absolutely. It's also management. Next, which function of the management? Now, which function of the management is relates to assigning duties, grouping tasks, establishing authority, and allocating the resources required to carry out a specific plan? One or the when I told you about each and every in the classroom, I told you the management is a complete process which starts from planning and ends with controlling. I also explained one of the function which just tells us that duties are to be assigned, groups, tasks are there, establishment of the authority and allocating of the resources to carry out a specific plan is to be done. I can give you the clue that to carry out the plan, these duties are to be done. It means it is not planning at all, because in the planning, the plans are to be made. And if the specific plan is there, it means planning has been done already. So what it can be? No staff is appointing in this. No controlling
Organizing.
is doing in this. No directions are given in this. So what is left over there? Anybody can tell? Yes, Manvi. Manvi.
I'm organizing.
Very good. It is organizing, in which the group task, duties assigned, and establishment of the authority, allocation of the resources are to be done. Fourth, match the example of the column 1 with the column 2. Matching outcomes with the target is which of the function that is given in the column 2? Anybody who can give me the answer of all these questions, who can match all these? I just want somebody from the boys. Why girls always rock? I want somebody from the boys. Please raise your hand who can just give me the answer of all these questions, because I have explained it so well in the class. And moreover, when you appeared in the 11th class examination, you find this chapter also. Yes, Aman Bhatia, very good.
I'm controlling.
The first one, matching outcomes with target, is
I'm controlling E.
okay. Second, objectives.
I'm planning.
Okay, good. Resources for implementation.
I'm organizing.
Very good.
I'm next directing,
Yes.
then staffing.
In this question, you have to select one of the match as an answer. As we can, the Aman has given the answers. You can match the series yourself. The fifth question. Upper,
Excuse me, ma'am.
yes,
Ma'am,
you.
maybe he has
Ma'am, and
misunderstood the question.
yes, ma'am.
Sorry.
He
Ma'am, the
has given.
answer of
Okay, Janvi, you can speak.
ma'am, the answer of fourth recruitment and training should be staffing.
Yes, it is staffing, and supervision and
But he
motivation is
told, but he gave the answer like directing.
no, directing is the fifth answer.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I'll repeat to no confusion will be there. See, I repeat, I think some miscommunication or communication gap is there. Matching outcome with targets, it is controlling. Objectives, planning. Resources for implementation, organizing. Recruitment and training, it is well known. Staffing, supervision and motivation, it is directing. Now, any doubt to anybody? Now it's correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine.
Yes, ma'am.
Let's go for the fifth one. The production manager was able to produce the desired output with the minimum cost, but not within the required time. In this case, the manager was effective only, efficient only, both effective and efficient, neither effective, neither nor efficient. I just give you an example of efficiency and effectiveness both. So what should be the answer? Who can tell? The production manager able to produce the desired output with minimum cost, but not in time. It means he's just doing his job in the cost effective manner, but it will be. Nobody is able to give the answer. Yes, Gurjeet. Gurjeet, please give the answer, beta. A production manager was able to. So what should be the answer? Please answer fast. Okay, anybody else? Kanika Garg.
Ma'am, he is efficient only because he is not able to complete the task within required time period.
Very good. He is efficient only. The next. The sixth question. Hero Limited target to produce 10,000 shirts per month with the cost of 150 rupees per shirt. The production manager could achieve the target of the cost 160 rupees per shirt. The target was 150 rupees per shirt. It means it is not in cost effective manner. Do you think the production manager is effective? Yes, Manavi.
Ma'am, yes, the production manager is effective because he's completing the job on time, no matter what the cost is. That is the definition of being effective, that he has completed his job on time, no matter what the cost. He is not efficient but effective.
Yes, very good. The next question, 7. Vandana Limited is able to achieve the target of the production of 5,000 units within the prescribed period. However, achieve the target on time, but additional cost 40,000 paid as overtime wages to the employee. In time, they have finished the job. So the Vandana Limited is effective or efficient?
Ineffective.
It is again, yes, effective, not efficient, because they are doing the work in time, but they are not bothering the cost. They are not doing it in the cost effective manner. So it is efficient. Good. Go for the next. Please read next. Name the process of the working with through other effectively achieve organizational objective by efficiently using limited resources by changing the environment. Again, the answer is management. The next, 9th. Suhasini, the general manager of FabMart, performed the managerial functions of planning, organizing, staffing, directing, and controlling as an ongoing process. Which management feature is highlighted here? Now, keep the features in your mind now. Only again and again, those people, the same people are just raising the hand. Why the new one? Himanshu. What the feature is highlighted here?
Management is a continuous process.
Very good. Management is a continuous process. Very good. The next one is directors of Aman Limited. Aman, it's your company, so you have to give the answer. Assign the task of implementing the plans and policies framed by a board to all the department heads. The departmental heads appointed supervisor, superintendent, executive, etc., so that work can be assigned to workers as per the plan. Supervisors kept a check on workers as per the plan. Identify the features of the management highlighted here. Come in fast.
Group activity.
Sorry.
Group activity.
Yes, management is a group
Group
Activity. Correct answer. Very good. Next. 11th question. Social Connect Private Limited is a mobile manufacturing company. The manager of the company observed that the market is dynamic and lot of changes were taken place in the mobile market, and hence the risk of the product becoming obsolete is high. The design of the phones are governed by the requirement and preferences of the customers. He started incorporating new and advanced features, taking clue from the consumers and with the help of workers. So identify the characteristics of, you can say, the feature of the management highlighted in this case. Market is dynamic. We know a lot of changes take place nowadays. We can see a lot of changes are taking place in the environment, in the market. The risk is also there to become obsolete. When the new technology comes, nobody want to use the old technology. So please let me know that which feature of management is highlighting here. So with the help of management, we can do so only that we can cope up with all these things. So which function of management? Who raised the hand? This one. Okay, Himanshu, you just give me the answer again.
Ma'am, management is a dynamic.
Very good. Management is a dynamic function. The next is Anushka Fabric Limited able to achieve the production target as per the plan using in new German technology. All employees are happy and satisfied with the pay scale and working environment in the organization. All the work proceeds as per plans and there is orderliness in the entire functioning. Entire means the whole functioning in the organization. Now you also have to identify the feature of the management discussed above. What Anushka Fabric Limited is a company and has been able to achieve its production targets as per the plan using by the new German technology. And its employees happy and satisfied with the pay scale also and the working condition they have. So they manage each and everything. They are proceeding as per the plans, orderliness is there, entire functioning of the organization is taking place so well. So which feature of the management is highlighted over here? Whatever all these things are just doing, it cannot be seen, but it can be feel only. So management is an intangible force. The next one, management is considered as a multifaceted concept. Yes, like the multidimensional, we also, if you remember, we done one of the feature that management is multi-dimensional. Multi-dimensional means we have to manage the work, we have to manage the people, we have to manage the operations of the business. So management is a very complex activity. It is not as simple. So management is the multifaceted. Next, 14th. The following is not the objective of the management. I expect the answer from everybody of this question because this is one of the easiest question and everybody should be well aware about this question. What is the basic objective of management? Means why we do management? You are studying management and from the day one I'm telling you why the management is necessary, why the management is necessary. So it should be clear to everybody why we do management. I just want to answer from a different student now. No, no, you people will not answer. Somebody new will answer this.
growth for
Means I am feeling like that I only teach these 4-5 students in the class and what the rest are doing. The rest students just keep on sleeping in the class. The same teacher is teaching you. These people are getting so much. They are giving the answers because these are the questions from the extra books. They don't have any book to give the answers. They are just using their reasoning abilities and understanding level and they are giving the answer. Only these 4-5 students. I really appreciate to all those people. And what about the rest of the people? They don't want to enhance their skill. They don't want to improve their knowledge. Be participative. I told you in the beginning of the lecture, just be participative. Whether you speak less, more, doesn't matter. Right, wrong, doesn't matter. But you have to speak. At least you have to brush up your knowledge. Unless you don't brush up your knowledge, how will you enhance it? Don't be so sleepy every time. Just wake up, beta. It is such the simplest question. Non-commerce student can give the answer. It can be answered by a layman. If we are managing anything, what can be the objective? Earning profit can be the objective, providing employment, growth of the organization, or the policy making.
Growth for the
Obviously.
organization.
Huh? Who is saying growth for the organization? Harsirat. How, beta? Could you please explain me?
No मैम मैंने नहीं कहा मैम.
Okay. Please speak in English, everybody. Who has given the answer? No matters. Whether you speak incorrect, no matters. I'll correct you.
मैंने कहा था
Ma'am, Pragat
Pragat.
said so.
Okay. Pragat, how, beta? Growth is a very important factor or very important element that is to be achieved by every business. Unless there will be no growth of the business, how the business will be survive in the market?
हम आप कह रहे थे कि मैनेजमेंट कैसे प्रोवाइड करती है, मतलब क्या
Growth.
ऑब्जेक्टिव.
When we manage all the activities, what happen in that case? Our business will be growth because we will achieve our objective. The growth of the business will be ensured there. So policy making is one of the points which cannot be objective of the business management. Fine. So D is the answer. To meet the objectives of the firm, the Asian Paint contributed large amount of funds to enable farmers to use the local resources effectively. Identify the management objective it tried to achieve. Which objective the management want to achieve in this point? They are enable the farmers. It means they are doing something for the society. I am giving you clue first. They are just doing something for the society. What does it mean? When they are doing something for the society, it means the business is fulfilling its social objective. So the answer of the question is social objectives of the business. In the next question also, Radhika Limited uses the economic friendly methods of the production. That is also for the welfare of the society. They are fulfilling the social objective. In the 17th question, please see. You have to give me the answer. In the first year of operation, the revenues generated by Max Industries from sale of the product are just sufficient to cover the cost of production. Which organizational objective is met in this given case? In the first year of operation, when the business started in its first year, the revenue generated by the Max Industries from sale of the product are just sufficient to cover the cost of production. Yes, Aman. Which objective they are trying to achieve here? In the first year, what they want? They just want to survive in the first year, because that's why it is given. They just cover only the cost of production. So economic objective, that is survival. Very good. Next is Radhika Limited. It is done. ABC Group Limited decided to donate 2% of its sale to Child Rights and You Cry for improving the condition of the children in India. The initiative by the company was highly appreciated by the public and their sale increased by 10%. Identify the objective of the management depicts in this given case. Employment opportunities they are developing. What does it mean? They are just doing something for the society. They are just doing something for their employees. Earlier, in our time, the answer is personal objective, but now the personal objectives are also merged with the social objectives. So that's why you may write the answer the social objective or personal objective, whatever it can be. The next question, the manager of the Beta Limited was very efficient and effective and make sure that all the employees and the workers in the team performs the task on time with the minimum cost. His main focus is on the cost reduction. So he never listened to the demand of the worker for increasing the wages. He even gives no opportunity to the worker for the promotion. As a result, they become frustrated and disheartened at the time, which objective could not be achieved by the management. Which objective is not? When the workers are not happy, when they are not focusing that what the workers required, they are becoming frustrated and disheartened. What does it mean? They are just not adopting the personal objective. Raheja is diverting the product line. Which organizational objective he wants to trying to achieve? Growth. When you want to diversify your product line of your business, then it is known as personal objective. Next, how does management help individual to develop a team spirit, cooperation, commitment to the group? How does management help individual to develop this? How does? Anybody can give me the answer? In management, I told you earlier, the leadership take place, directions take place, communication is there. So by using all these things, the leadership, the motivation, the management help in achieving the personal objectives of the business. The next question is, Rajiv Automobiles aims to the objective of production department strive for timely production and sales department takes all possible steps to sell them. Due to combined efforts of the department, the company is able to achieve the target. Which significance of the management is highlighted in this case? Which significance of the management is highlighted over here? Significance, you know, I hope the importance. The management helps in achieving the organizational goal. Policy formulation is the function of which level of management? Who will maintain the policies? Who will frame the policies? In the level of management we have done, it is done only by the top level managers. Very good. Ritu is a manager in the northern division of the large corporate house. At what level of management does she work in the organization? She is working as a division manager. Divisional manager, she is working in a corporate house. So at which level she is working? She is working at the middle level management. 26. Your grandfather working in an MNC as a chief operating officer. It means general manager is there, chief operating officer is there. It is top level management. At which level of management the managers are responsible for maintaining the quality of output and safety standards? Anybody can tell? The answer of the 27 question. At which level the managers, they have to supervise that the quality of and safety measures standards are to be taken. And supervision take place at
lower level management.
Lower level
yes,
management.
yes. Very good. It is lower level management. Very good. 28. Name the level of the management. Managers are responsible for implementing and controlling the plans and the strategies of the organization. Implementation, not the formulation. Formulation is done
Middle
on the top
level.
level. Yes.
Middle level.
Middle
good.
level
Be
management.
confident, Aman. You are saying the correct answer every time. Be confident.
Middle level
So,
management.
very good. Middle level management. 29. At which level is responsible for the welfare and survival of the organization? Which level of management is fast? Time is very less. Last 5 minutes are left, and we have to finish this
Lower
assignment.
level management.
That is responsible for framing the plans, beta.
Ma'am,
Top
lower
level.
level
29. It
management.
is responsible for the welfare and survival of the organization. Yes.
Okay.
What should be the answer? Please be sure again. The top level management, bache. that is responsible, because the head of the institutions are always responsible for the welfare of the people who are working in the organization. Sarthak Jain is responsible for framing the plans and policies of Neel Madhav Limited. At which managerial level he is working? He is framing the policies. Top level.
Top level
management.
Very good. Then next is 31 question. Name the level of management engaged in introducing a new product line and deciding the capital structure of the company. It is top
Top
level
level
management. Very good. Recruitment of the casual labor will be done by the
Middle level.
lower
Lower.
level management. Casual
Lower level
labor beta.
management.
Casual labor will be recruited by the supervisors and foremen only. And devise a suitable advertising campaign to sell a new product. That is to be devised by middle level management.
Middle level management.
Dheeraj is working as an operations manager in the TIPCO Limited. Name the managerial level which he is working.
Lower level.
Level
Operations manager, beta. I'm not talking about the foreman or supervisor.
Middle level.
All the managers take place except general manager. All the managers take place in middle level.
Middle level.
The general manager is the part of the top level management. I told you in the class. Please keep these points in your mind. So it is all about for the day that you have to do. And in the repeating period, I'll just discuss the exercise number 1.2 and 1.3. We will discuss that. Thank you. Have a nice day.